Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for BP. I'll discuss the price breakout attempts. If you take this monthly closing high, you'll see that from about late 2016 to sometime this year, there's been an attempt to move above that monthly closing high. Going back to the highs of 2015, we tried to break out here, we failed. Tried here, we failed. Tried here, failure. And here we seem to be moving away from that line. So that's a failed breakout attempt. Also, if you take the recent closing high from late 2016, you can see that we tried to break out this year, but over the last 2 months we've been rejected. It's not a good sign. Also, if you take a look at the monthly RSI and figure out where it broke down, so there was a trend break in 2014, and that trend break coincides with the movement of the highs there. We take that information and draw our uniformity resistance line. You can see as of right now, we seem to be rejected when trying to move above that line. Both rejections have come with uniform RSI action, and keep in mind that red line happens to be just at about 61.8 on the monthly RSI. We know if we get RSI rejection at around 69.8, that tends to be suggesting to expect lower prices. Now, if we take a look at a longer view, this is a 5-year monthly chart. Let's take a look at a longer view. This is 13 months of monthly data. No, 13 years. 13 years of monthly data. Now, what we can do here is draw a line connecting the lows of 2010, which is this RSI point, and this break. This RSI break coincides with the movement here. What we do is we extend that line. Anytime we get uniform RSI rejection on the line, that should be good for a sell signal on a monthly chart. Rejection with uniform activity here for the monthly highs there of 2015. Rejection recently here for a swing trade lower, and now we are seeing rejection with uniform action on the same line, which might explain why as of this month we are starting to see signs of a pullback. So as long as we are seeing rejection, as long as we are unable to break out in terms of price, as long as we are seeing RSI rejection on all these lines, this is indication of a stock that is poised, more than likely, unless it can break out successfully, unless it can move above these two lines on the RSI, chances are there are high odds that the next major swing trade or next major direction is down. Let's study this to see whether the chart is telling us something we can use to find the next major move. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.